What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone. So, without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen, I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So here we are, folks, up close and personal with the box. As you can see on the front, it says Mavic 2 Zoom, and there's also a picture of this drone right here. Now, if we come over here to the back of the box, you can see it says the same thing, as well as some different features: 4K video, 12 megapixel photo, 31-minute flight time, 72 kilometers per hour max speed, and there's also a different picture of the drone all folded up, making it nice and portable. So, without further ado, let's get out of the box. And first things first, let's peel this shrink wrap off. Let's see, can we tear this? And there we go. Bum. Let's see. Now we can slide the top off this box right here. Next, we can just peel off this little sticker right here to open this up. And let's see. Voila, here it is, baby. So first things first, we got the drone right here, all folded up. Next, right here, we've got the little remote controller that you plug your phone into to control this bad boy. Right here, next, we've got this little box within a box. Let's see what's in here. We've got, let's see, a little charger going on right here. And then also right here, we've got a nice little charging plug as well. Then next right here, we've got this other box within a box. Let's see what's in here. We've got some different cables right here, some different adapters. We've got some little sticks for the remote controller, and we've got another cable right here. Now, last but not least, we've got another box within a box. Let's see what is in here. We've got looks like some wings for the actual drone. That's pretty cool. Some propellers, more propellers right here. And what else? We've got even more propellers, and then a bunch of little paperwork right in here. Okay, so now we've seen what's inside the box. Let me put the actual box away and get a closer look at what's inside. And boom, just like that, now we got all these different parts that came in the box, all nice and organized. So for example, right here we've got 6 different propellers we can put on a pair just like this. As you can see, there are 3 little parts poking out on the bottom of the propeller, and there are also 3 little areas on the actual wing, so you can just line it up just like that and twist, and boom, now the propeller's on. So let me put on all the different propellers. And now, folks, those are all on, nice and beautiful right there. Next, as you can see, we've got these little joysticks that we can add to the controller just by screwing them on just like this. Oh yeah, and now that makes the controller nice and portable, that you can take these joysticks off, because then if you like throw it in a bag or throw it in your pocket or something, you don't have these bad boys just sticking out and poking you. And yeah, folks, over here we got these little cables to connect the actual controller to your phone. Anyway, folks, now let's unfold the drone and see what it looks like all nice and big. So we can just fold these wings out right here. We can just unfold these ones too, and voila, look at the size of this guy. Vroom, Mavic 2 Zoom. Oh yeah, look at this. But now, folks, anyway, enough looking at all the different things that come in the box. Let's actually get to using this bad boy and seeing what it can do and how the videos it shoots look. So, here we go, folks. Mavic 2 Zoom. Got subs and they watching me. Flew back to Atlanta, got the sack like I'm Santa. I'm sipping that soda, but no, it's not Fanta. Beat hit like a hammer, got bars like the slammer. Big Daddy, the OG, and you is a scammer. You make excuses and I'm making bands. Drip like a faucet like I'm Dapper Dan. However you call it, boy, I am the man. Straight to the White House talking Uncle Sam. Get my credit card, say CEO. Hop in the whip like here we go. Review that thing just so you know, and spend these racks just to make some more. Big Daddy chasing bags all the way back. No cap, my iPhone green, but my Hermes all black. Everything I say is only all facts. You just a catfish, really not all that. Hey, Big Daddy making big bands, yeah, Big Daddy don't throw hands, nah, Big Daddy better than your mans, yeah, Big Daddy, do what you can't now, yeah, I'm the boss, man, I am on top. This isn't New Year's, talking no drop. My song just slaps, you know it's a bop. Walk in the store and Big Daddy just caught. And with that, folks, that'll be all for this Warenotice video about the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone right here. So if you want this drone for yourself, it costs currently upwards of, I believe, like $1,400. It used to be cheaper when it first came out, but then they raised the prices due to tariffs. So I was able to get this bad boy with actually the pre-tariff price, which was about $1,250, so that's $1,250. So yeah, good luck finding a good price on this bad boy. But yeah, folks, definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of this drone. I definitely think it's super duper awesome, but it's also quite expensive too, so yeah. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this technology video, definitely be sure to subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone, which I think is just super duper cool. I can't get over this bad boy. It's just awesome. Ooh.